I love my teachers at Scots because they're nice and they're not grumpy and they help me understand things and do it right. I love my teacher because she is funny and she's helpful when I'm hurt, she's there for me. Because they're kind. They help me read and write and do maths really well, and after if I get it wrong, they help me correct it. My teacher helps me learn maths and all different subjects, and she comes to me when I'm confused. I love my Scots teachers because they're funny, and when they try to get something, it's like they're creeping.
Because they help me with everything I do.
They're very considerate for when we're feeling down and know what to do when we're feeling down.
Teachers help me with my schoolwork and they're trying to push me to the limits.
They always care about us and they always know how we're feeling.
I like the teachers at Scots because they're caring and help us when we're struggling through our work.
They're always there to help, no matter like if it's in class or after school, they're always there.
We love our teachers at Scots.
We love our Scots teachers!
We love our teachers at Scots!